Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zoom on MacBook step by step clearly. Begin by opening a web browser on your MacBook. Type zoom.us into the address bar and press enter. Once the Zoom homepage loads, look for the Resources tab at the top of the page. Hover over Resources to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, click on Download Zoom Client. You will be directed to the Download Center. Look for the section titled Zoom Client for Meetings. Click the Download button to start downloading the Zoom installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file named zoom.usinstaller.package. A window will open to guide you through the installation process. Click Continue to begin the installation. Read through the software license agreement. If you agree to the terms, click Agree. Select the installation destination and click Install. You may be prompted to enter your MacBook's administrator. Type in your password and click Install Software. The installation process will begin. Once it's finished, click Close to complete the installation. You can now find Zoom in your Applications folder. Double-click the Zoom icon to open the application. Sign in with your Zoom account or join a meeting as needed. Adjust your settings and preferences within the app for optimal use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.